Hello students, how are you all? Hope you all are happy and healthy. Today I am going to explain you chapter 12 Smart Charts question number 5. In my last video I already completed this chapter till question number 4. So today I am going to start from question number 5 and your page number is 163. So concentrate here student. Details of favorite fruits of 100 students are given here. Make a pie chart on its basis and answer the following question. What is given here? Detail of favorite fruits of 100 students. How many students? There are 100 students. And the detail of favorite fruits. So here is fruit chart. Then here is a number of students. And this is given the pie chart that we have to make with the collection of this favorite fruits and the number of students. So mango, how many students like? 50 students like mango. Banana, 25 students like banana. Apple, 10 students like apple. Oranges, 10 students like oranges. Chiku, 5 students like chiku. So total student number is 100 given your question also. So if you add all this, so you will get 100 total. And this we have to show in this pie chart, this circle. So student, that you have to understand, total number of student is 100. That means 100 students, this we have to show in this pie chart. Means कि 100 स्टूडेंट को हम लोग को ये पाई चार्ट में शो करना है. So if you think a circle measurement is 100, then it's a half part of 50. जो एक सर्कल का मेजरमेंट हम लोग 100 रखते हैं बिकॉज हम लोग को 100 स्टूडेंट को ही शो करना है इसमें, नॉट मोर देन 100, नॉट लेस देन 100. So if you want to show in this pie chart only 100 student, so the half part of this circle is called 50. हाफ पार्ट सर्कल का क्या बोलाएगा? 50, क्योंकि टोटल मेजरमेंट क्या लिया गया है? 100 student. So half part of 50. So first you have to see mango. Mango is 50. So do the half part, divide it, circle, divide this, and this is the number of 50 student. Okay, that is mango. You can write here mango, otherwise write the name. Now if the half part is 50 and if full part is 100 and then half part is 50, then what is the meaning of 1/4? सर्कल का 1/4 मतलब हाफ पार्ट का हाफ पार्ट, इस साइड का हाफ पार्ट का हाफ पार्ट को हम लोग लेंगे तो दैट इज कॉल्ड 25. बिकॉज व्हेन यू डिवाइड द 50 with two parts, that it will come 25. 50 को जो हम लोग दो पार्ट में डिवाइड करते हैं तो क्या आता है हम लोग का 25. मतलब ये पूरे हाफ पार्ट का आधा जब करते हैं तो हम लोग को कितना मिलता है? 25. तो दिस इज 25, दैट इज banana. So banana like 25 student like banana. So this is 25 student measurement. Okay. Now this we have to left. This we have to measure. So how can we measure? This we have to divide in a 3 parts because 3 fruits are remain. 3 parts that will look 10 and 10 both are equal and the 5. So 10 or 10 you have to take both the measurement equal and the 5 you have to take a half measurement of 10. Apple, that is 10. Orange, also 10 student. And then chiku 5. If you take a measurement of 10, 10 के आधे क्या होता है? 5. So 10 के आधे का measurement को हम लोग को लेना है 5 में. So this you have to like write this 10, 10 and 5. पूरा का measurement है 100. 100 के आधे को हम लोग को डिवाइड करते हैं तो आता है 50. तो ए पाई चार्ट का मेजरमेंट है 100. 100 से आधे को हम लोग डिवाइड किए तो आया 50. 50 स्टूडेंट लाइक मैंगो. एंड देन 50 व्हेन यू डिवाइड, गोइंग टू डिवाइड दिस 50, आधे को जब हम लोग और आधा करते हैं तो 50 हाफ क्या होता है? 25. So 25 student like banana. Then after remain is 3 parts. 3 parts remain है. Three fruits, apple, orange and chiku. So this we have to divide in a 10, 10 and 5. So 10, 10 का दो एक shapes लेंगे. It will look big. And 10 का half क्या होता है 5. जो आप 10 का measurement लेंगे उसके half आपको 5 में लेना पड़ेगा. So like this you have to show in a pie chart. Okay. Now see the question. These are given some question basis of these fruits and the number of student and the pie chart. We have to give some answer. So see the first one. Which fruits do the students like the most? So which fruits do the students like most? Which have the number of more students? And the mango have more students because mango fruits like 50 students like the mango. So here you have to write mango because they have the lots of more students in this chart. Now see the second number. Which fruits do the student like the least? Least means come or less. So chiku have the 5 students. This is the least number of student which like the chiku. So chiku have the least number of the student. Third number. How many times more is the number of student who like banana than chiku? How many times that call? So there is chiku 5 and banana have 25. So 5 divided with 25, how many times will come? It will 5. So 5 times you have to write here. Okay. Chiku 5, 25 is 5 5 is 25. So 5 divided with 5. So 5 times will come here. Question number 4. How many times more is the number of students who like mango than orange? Mango and orange. This we have to divide. The orange have 10 students like orange and mango likes 50 students like mango. So 10 divided with 50, it will come 5. So 5 times is more. 5 times is more of the student who like mango than orange. Orange से mango 5 times ज़्यादा student लोगों को पसंद है. Now see the 5 number. What part of number of student like chiku than apple? So first we have to write the chiku and apple number. Apple like 10 student and chiku like 5 student. So when this is the 10 number and this is the 5, this we have to think. This we don't have to divide because here is not saying the what times or more or less. Here is asking what part. मीन्स एक कोई भी नंबर्स का कितना पार्ट है. सो व्हेन यू डिवाइड दिस 10 को जब हम लोग हाफ करते हैं तो कितना आता है 5. सो दैट इज द हाफ पार्ट ऑफ चीकू. एप्पल इज द हाफ पार्ट ऑफ चीकू. सो एप्पल क्या है चीकू क्या है एप्पल का हाफ पार्ट है. तो हियर यू हैव टू राइट हाफ. Don't write the divide with 2. Here you have to write half because here is asking the part. So there is a half part. Chiku is the half part of apple. Chiku apple के half part में है. Now here see the question number 6. Sonu's routine of Sunday is given here. Sonu routine of which day? Sunday is given here. Indicate it in the pie chart. This is the given pie chart that we have to show, that we have to indicate the Sonu Sunday routine. So Sonu Sunday को क्या करता है that we have to indicate in this pie chart. So let's first see the routine of Sonu. 8 hours sleeping. Sonu sleeping how many hours? 8 hours. 4 hours study. Sonu doing 4 hours study on Sunday. 3 hours playing with friend and Sonu playing with friend on Sunday 3 hours. 3 hours daily activity. That means daily activity means eating, bathing and getting ready. So Sonu is taking 3 hours for eating food, bathing and getting for ready. 6 hours spending time with mother, father and Sonu is taking 6 hours to spending time with their mother and father. This we have to show or indicate in this pie chart. So first is given here sleeping. So sleeping is given here. That's total when you add this, there will come 24 hours. And you all know, एक दिन में कितने hours होते हैं? 24 hours. So sleeping time is 8 upon 24. It will divide when you divide it. 8 threes are, so 8 1 and 3s are 1 upon 3 is a sleeping hours. This you show in this pie chart. Then after we have to find out the other things. So how can we find out? It's already divided. That only you have to write here. So how can you write here? So you can see here, this is the 4 more corner is left. Here is writing sleeping. So big one is this. Big corner is, big space is this one. So which one is big hours? That is, here is 6 hours is big one. So here you have to write 6 upon 24 because 24 is a total number of 1 day hours. एक दिन में कितने hours होते हैं? 24 hours. So 6 upon 24, and when you divide it, 6 4s are, so 1 upon 4. 6 4s are 24. So 1 upon 4. This one also write, you can write this also. Okay. Now see the second one. Which one is the next space? So next space is a this, because this is the least than this space. ये space से ये दोनों space कम है. तो this one will take, and then after 6 के बाद में कौन सा नंबर आते हैं? 4. 6 के बाद में 6 से कम कौन है? 4 hours. So 4 hours, here you have to write 4 upon the 24. 24 is the hours of total hours. When you add this, you will get 24, और एक दिन में 24 hours होते हैं. So 4 upon the 24, and 4 divide with 24, it will come 1 upon 6. 4 6 are 24. So 1 upon 6. It's the time of studying time. Okay, this is the studying time. And then after this two space is equal. Equal, that means this two. Whenever you like, you will take the space. 3 hours of playing with friend. So 3 hours of playing with friend. Here you have to write friend. Playing with friend. 3 hours. So 3 upon the 24. And that we have to write 3 8s are. 3 8s are 24. So 1 upon 8. 3 24 में 3 का टेबल्स में 24 कितने टाइम में आता है? 8 टाइम्स में. So 1 upon 8. Then here is you have to write 3 hours daily activity. So here you have to write daily activity, and that's also measurement is 3. So yes, you have to write 3 upon the 24, and same divide. 3 divide with 24. 8s are. So 1 upon 8. Like this you have to write, and you have to divide, explain it, indicate the what they are doing, that you have to write inside. Okay, and this type of measurement you have to write, because the total number of hours is 24, and when you add this all you will get 24, और एक दिन में 24 hours होते हैं, इसलिए टीचर ने 8 से इसको डिवाइड किया है. 8 upon the 24, 4 upon the 24, 6 upon the 24, 3 upon the 24, and 3 upon the 24. And this you have to divide.